In this video, I'm going to be showing you a cool way you can make over $300 per day with Fortnite videos in 2020. This is definitely going to be a method you probably never heard of before. You don't have to record videos, get on camera, download Creative Commons videos and things like that. Like I said, it's a strategy you probably never heard of before, and just to show y'all that this does work, as you can see right here inside the CPA network called Max Bounty, I actually ended up making almost $3,700 in a single month doing this same strategy. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this training. Alright, so the strategy we're going to be using in this video is using YouTube influencers or YouTube channels to promote our products or offers, whatever you want to call it. So what we're going to be basically doing is reaching out to popular Fortnite channels and hosting our Fortnite giveaway of 13,500 V-Bucks. Now you might be saying, hey, I don't have 13,000 V-Bucks to give away. That's the beauty in this method. We're basically going to be utilizing CPA marketing and YouTube influencers to host the giveaway. Now, unfortunately, they're not going to get, the 13,500 V-Bucks just for completing the survey. They really not. They just going to get redirected to different offers. But, that's just how a lot of people make money online. And for example, if y'all ever looked at any YouTube video, if you ever typed in, free V-Bucks generator, things like that, you find one of these videos where they basically show you step by step how to, well, in the video they show them signing up for the surveys and then, it magically appearing in their account. More than likely, they just bought the thing themselves and then just added it into their account. But what they doing is, right here, the first link in the description, they sending you to a website, basically mimicking everything they did in the video just to make it seem real. But all they doing is having people enter a username, selecting the platform, just making it look real. So I could type in J or whatever the case. And at the end of this, after I select my V-Bucks, they're gonna have me either download something or enter my email address. And when I do any of those actions, you will get paid for it. Well, the person on the other end of this website will get paid for it. And a lot of times they get paid anywhere from 50 cents to even $3 just for one person entering their email address or downloading the app. It happens a lot, and like I said, I made a lot of money doing this strategy. It's not illegal or anything like that. This has been around for years and years and years. So let me just go through this process so y'all can see. And when I hit confirm, more than likely it's going to say something about human verification. Boom, here you go. Error. Human verification needed for J. User needed. And as soon as I click on verify, boom, here goes a ton of different CPay offers that I was mentioning before. And right here, get a $100 Walmart gift card. When I go to this website and I enter my email address or fill out a survey or whatever the case may be. So let me just show y'all, click a few buttons. They're going to ask my email address. And when I do that, more than likely the person is going to get paid anywhere from $1 to $3 for this. Very, very simple. Now just imagine, let's go back over to YouTube. This channel right here, Red Arcade, or even just this video. This video got 8.4 million views and they uploaded it 11 months ago. Just imagine, okay, for example, let me just pull up a sample CPA offer. So let's say we pull up, search all campaigns. And let me take this offer for instance. Vendel Research. You get paid $1.70 for every person that enters their email address on this website. So let me just show y'all what it looks like. Well, that's like a bad version of it. Let me try to default. See if it comes up. All right, so boom, you get paid $1.70 for every person that fills out. They just put in their email address. Now just imagine out of 8.4 million people that watched this one video, how many people, had they been promoting a CPA offer, how much money would they have made off of that? So just imagine, I don't care if it was 10,000 people. If 10,000 people went and filled out that offer, you would have got paid $10,700 just off a free video that you uploaded on YouTube. But like I said in the beginning of this video, who got time to build up a channel from scratch in the Fortnite industry, because it's very, very competitive. It's probably 1,000,001 people posting Fortnite compilations, Fortnite gameplays, all that type of stuff. That's why we utilize the people that's already popular on YouTube and just ask them to put our link in the description. Now, of course, they're not just gonna put it in there. You gotta offer them some money. So what I'm gonna do is show y'all, for example, let's say this channel right here, Fortnite Legion. You want to find channels that's literally dedicated to Fortnite. So like this, Fortnite Legion, as you can tell, is all about Fortnite. You want to find channels like this. The bigger the better. As you can see, this channel got almost 1 million subscribers. And you can click on a video, see how many views they get per video. 5 days ago was their last upload, 237,000. A week ago, 200,000, 300,000, 200,000, 600,000. So this is a very popular channel in the Fortnite niche. And what you could do is, now you might be asking, how am I going to reach out to them to even get my link in the description to promote the Fortnite giveaway? So what you can do is click on the About section, whatever channel you go to. And not every channel is going to have this, but this is what you want to look for right here. View email address. They're going to have you fill out the captcha thing, or I'm not a robot. From there, you just click on submit, and boom, there goes their email address that you can use to send them a personal email address to promote your giveaway. So like I said, here's a sample reply I will use. Here we go, subject line, channel promos with a question mark. So when they open it, hey, I recently just found your channel and love the value shared to the community. I'm reaching out to see how much would you charge to post my Fortnite V-Bucks giveaway in the description of your next video. Thanks. Now when they come back, when they reach out to you, now you're gonna probably say, hey, I'll charge you $25, $50, $100, $300, whatever the case may be. It really doesn't matter because, like I said, just a small percentage of those people. So let's say, for instance, this video right here, the last one, 237,000 views, posted 5 days ago. Just imagine had 20,000 out of those people came and filled out that offer for you. Like I said, if you go back to Max Bounty, which is a popular CPA network, they pay out $1.70 per lead. So if you got over 10,000 people, you'd have been made your money back probably the first day. So like I said, what you want to do is copy that email address. Let me go back to the About section. I should have copied it before I went to the other page, but you see, submit. I just had the email address. Let me refresh the page, see if it popped back up. All right, so it popped back up. What you want to do is just go to these different Fortnite channels. I definitely recommend you make a list of at least 10, because some might reach back out, and some do. They might be charging too high, and other ones, you just want to make a nice little list of these, maybe 10 or 20 channels. Go back over to your Gmail account or Yahoo, whatever you're using, and paste in the email address right here. So that's just one example. Let me X out of this one. Let me go down, try to find another Fortnite channel right here. Daily Fortnite Battle Royale moments. Let's see if they got their business email address in their About section. And as you can see, they do for business inquiries. View email address. Very, very simple. Hit submit. Boom. Copy email address. Go back over. Paste that. Let me do one more channel just for demonstration. So Fortnite Spark TV, let's see, this is about 1.8 million subscribers, and he has his email address as well. Know why that one didn't show up. Let me refresh the screen, see if it comes back. All right, here we go. Click on submit. Boom, there we go. We got 3 email addresses that we're gonna use just for this tutorial. So we got the promo email ready to go. Like I said, make a list of 10 to 30. The more the better, because like I said, some people might not reach back. Some people that do reach back, the pricing might be out of your ballpark. Wherever the case may be, just know that you're gonna profit huge on the back end. So don't even worry about spending $25 to $100 for a promo. And another thing that you're gonna need is a landing page to promote this offer, because you can't just go and grab your affiliate link from Max Bounty or whatever CPA network that you're in. You can't just go grab your link and then just put it in the description of the YouTube video, because more than likely you're gonna get your account banned doing that. So what you have to do is build out a landing page similar to this to pre-sell them. I made this landing page inside of ClickFunnels. I will leave a link in the description down below to start your 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. Then after that, it's like $97 per month. And another thing I'm gonna do is throw in this exact landing page for everybody that starts a trial using my referral link in the description down below. So you don't really have to do anything besides replace my affiliate links for yours. The landing page is already set to go. So what you want to do is, once you're inside of your CPA network, I prefer Max Bounty. If you don't know what Max Bounty is, it's one of the most popular CPA networks on the internet. You can do more research on it in your own time, but Max Bounty just have a ton of different survey offers that you can use to promote. And if you want to learn how you can get inside of Max Bounty very quickly, because it is an application process, all you gotta do is just search on YouTube Max Bounty approval. You should find my videos, the #1 video right here. I basically walk you through step by step on how to get inside of Max Bounty, and from there you can go and promote these survey offers. So once you find a survey offer you like, you just click on build tracking link. Just select your traffic source. Let's see, you can search, you can click on contextual, raw link, copy that, and go over to your landing page builder or whatever you're using. Like I said, I'm using ClickFunnels. And what you want to do is put that affiliate link inside of the call to action button, which is this right here. Yes, give me my V-Bucks. You want to put that set action, paste that there. You want to put it in the image, because some people might click the image. You want to get it every way you can. So you paste that right there, and we do it in this image just in case. Link URL, delete that £, hit save. Now what you should do, after every time you make a new landing page, you always want to test out your links to make sure it's going to the right place. And if we click this image or this button, it should take us right to Vendel research. Boom, and it does. So whenever somebody put in their email address, you get paid $1.70, and you can see how quick that'll add up with a channel that's already popping. Like I said, starting a channel from complete scratch will take way too long. So that's why we utilize influencers, people that already have an influence in whatever niche that we're in. And plus, another benefit of going through an influencer is that people already trust them. So, coming out, when they see, let's say, for example, Red Arcade posting in the description, hey, get 13,500 V-Bucks, click this link right here. They more likely to trust this channel than a brand new channel trying to do a giveaway of 13,000 V-Bucks. They probably not gonna believe you. That's why we utilize the influencers. Very simple stuff, man. So long story short, we basically find Fortnite channels, reach out to them, offer them a promotion to post our V-Bucks giveaway in the description of their next video, or a particular video, however you want to do it. And then when they agree to doing that, all you would do is just basically create a landing page, make sure your landing page has your affiliate links inside, so whenever somebody goes through and enter their email address, you can get paid $1.70 and you can make your money. So like I said, make your landing page, put your affiliate links inside of all the images and all the buttons on your website, and then from there, let me see if I'm missing a step. We already got the offer. Yeah, it's pretty much that simple. You get them after you make your landing page. You send the influencer your landing page after you talk to them through email. They post it in their description, and then you pretty much just watch the money flow through. Now, what I like most about YouTube, YouTube just in general, like you could post a video, for example, right here, 11 months ago. It's the #1 search result for Fortnite compilation kills. This video is probably gonna get hundreds to thousands of views every hour. So just imagine how much money you can make on a consistent daily basis. Now, with the difference between YouTube influencers and Instagram, because that's like the most popular way to do influencers, but I feel like in 2020 it's gonna be YouTube, because Instagram, when you pay Instagram influencers for things like this, it only lasts for a day or two before you got to buy another shout out and things like that. But when you pay a YouTube influencer, you only paying them one time, and you getting views and commissions inside of CPA all day, every day. Like I said, it's hundreds of thousands of views going to these channels every single hour. So if you can get just a slice of that to your CPA offers, you can make a ton of money with this method. But like I said, it's a lot of people doing this with the Fortnite generators, with paid traffic, with YouTube videos, Instagram. A lot of people have built up Instagram pages to promote the generators, the V-Bucks generators, but that just takes too much time and energy. That's why you use influencers to have them post your link in the description. You don't have to do any work after that. Once you pay them to get your link in the description, you can pretty much just watch your commissions go through the roof, just like I showed you our proof earlier in this video. Very, very simple stuff, man. But if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of this strategy. Subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications to be notified when I release more videos like this. And I will see y'all in the next video.